The dark web has become a breeding ground for cybercriminals planning attacks on high profile events like the Olympics. The increased activity targeting the Paris 2024 Games is a stark reminder of the evolving threat landscape. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Cybercriminals are setting up phishing campaigns targeting fans, athletes, and officials. These campaigns aim to steal personal information, credentials, and financial data by mimicking official Olympic communications and websites. There is a surge in the distribution of malware and ransomware aimed at disrupting the event or holding data for ransom. Cybercriminals are likely to target both individuals and organizations involved in the Olympics. On the dark web, there is an increase in the sale of stolen credentials that can be used to access sensitive systems and accounts related to Olympics. This poses a significant risk of account takeovers and unauthorized access to critical infrastructure. Cybercriminals are also exploiting the demand for tickets and merchandise by setting up fake websites and selling counterfeit items. These scams not only defraud consumers but also collect their personal and financial information for further exploitation. The Paris Olympics 2024 is a high stake cyber threat target, drawing attention from cybercriminals, hacktivists, and state sponsored actors. Cybercriminals are leveraging fake ticketing platforms, fraudulent merchandise, and identity theft tactics to exploit unsuspecting participants and spectators. The main goal is to target infrastructure, media channels, and affiliated organizations to disrupt event proceedings, undermine credibility, and amplify their messages on a global stage. Major events like the Olympics are good reminders that we all need to remain vigilant against cyber threats. The increased cybercriminal activity on the dark web targeting the Olympics highlights the need for robust cybersecurity measures and vigilance. By understanding the potential threats and implementing proactive strategies and protective strategies, the stakeholders can mitigate the risks and ensure the safety and success of the event. Let's look into today's headline. Google to remove low quality Android apps from Play Store. Starting next month, Google is planning to remove low quality and non functional apps from its Play Store. The company has updated its spam and minimum functionality policy to enhance user experience by ensuring stability, responsiveness, and engagement. Apps that exhibit minimal functionality or content, such as text only apps, single wallpaper apps, or those that fail to install or operate correctly, will be removed from the Play Store. Meiti's budget outlay soars up to 52% to Rs 21,936 crore in budget 2024-25. The Union Budget 2024-25 has allocated Rs 21,936 crore to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MEITI. This is a boost of 52% from the revised estimates of FY24, which stood at Rs 14,421 crore. MEITI runs multiple incentive schemes and programs in areas such as semiconductor manufacturing and design, electronics manufacturing, and India AI Mission, among others. For the India AI Mission, the government has allotted an amount of Rs 511 crores in FY25. Apple releases iOS 18 Developer Beta 4. Apple has released iOS 18 Developer Beta 4 for eligible iPhone models. The platform update brings several new improvements and changes, including new camera setting, icon redesigns, and wider rich communication services messaging support. Apple is also expected to start testing the new artificial intelligence powered features soon. Apple will reportedly be adding a new controls menu in the settings app for the camera. Amazon may soon launch new AI powered Alexa. Amazon has been previewing an all new Alexa, which will be based on a new large language model, which is custom built and is specifically optimized for voice interactions. Reports point out that Amazon could launch AI powered Alexa in the next few weeks. Amazon has been way behind on making Alexa the best personal assistant as it has been facing organizational as well as technical challenges. The Supreme Court verdicts against NEET re examination. The Supreme Court declared that there will be no retest for the NEET UG exam in 2024, citing the lack of evidence to support a systemic breach or that the sanctity of the test had been compromised in the wake of two isolated question paper leaks. Although the court acknowledged that the question paper leak was not in dispute, it stated that there is currently insufficient evidence in the file to draw the conclusion that the exam's result was vitiated or that there was a systemic breach in the exam's sanctity. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.